Okay, let's solve the problem. Leetcode 1011. Capacity to ship packages within 8 days. So suppose here, let's assume we are from India, okay, and we have to ship some packages to UAE. Suppose we have to ship the mangoes to UAE, okay, through ship. So this is our sea, okay, and using the ship, we have to ship these mangoes to UAE, okay. So we have around, suppose assume we have around uh, 20 kgs of mango, just assume. Now these mangoes are divided into different sizes, right? Like different sizes of containers, okay, 3 kg, 4 kg, 1 kg, 5 kg, or anything. Let's assume that. Okay. Now we have to ship this to the UAE. So what the problem says, right? They will be giving us some dates, right? Suppose they will give us the 5 days. Within a 5 days, we have to ship this mango to the UAE. Okay. So they are saying we need a minimum ship size, right? So there will be a ship size of 1 kg. There will be a ship size of 3 kg. Okay, 5 kg. So these are all ships. So we'll need a minimum size of ship, like suppose 1 kg ship or 2 kg ship size. So using these ships, we have to provide transport this to the UAE. Okay. Suppose if we take an example here, suppose our example is uh, sorry. Suppose our example is, so we have containers of two. We have container of size 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, and 4. Now these are our containers, which are packed with mangoes. Okay. Now we have to ship this to the UAE. Okay, using the ship. Now here, what we can say, the minimum capacity of ship size should be 1 kg, right? Because we have container of 1 kg, and maximum is 4 kg. So suppose we have the size of the ship. Okay, we have the size of the container. Sorry, is like 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 4. Okay, these are the container size. So here, what is the minimum? It's a 1 kg. Okay, and what is the maximum? It's a 4 kg. Okay, and now we have to ship these, right? So so minimum size, ship size, what is 1? Okay, so what we will do, if we want to ship all this through, right, we have to count the how many days it will first need, right? If you want to ship with 1 kg of ship, right? So suppose if we take an example here, like this example, so how many days it will need? 2, 3 plus 2, it's 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11, 12, 12, and 12 plus 4, it's 16, right? We'll need 16 days to ship these containers, right, with 1 kg of ship, right? So suppose, now let's assume, okay, we will take a 8 days, 8 kg of ship, okay, not 8 days, 8 kg of ship. Just assume, right? Just be with me. Just assume this one, okay? Okay. Now, suppose if we want to ship this, right? So in 1 day, what we will ship? 3 plus 2 plus 2. How much is it? 5 plus 6, 2, 7. Okay. In day 2, we will ship 4 plus 1, 5. Wait. And in day 3, we will ship the last one, 4. Right. What was our array? It's a 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 4. Right. Within 3 days, we are able to ship this. Okay. correct? Right. But here what you can see, 8 kg, suppose 8 kg ship price is high, right? So now we have to find, is there any other ship we can use to ship our mangoes, right? This is 8 kg, okay? Now what we will do here, right? 1 kg, 8 kg. So we will again find the middle, okay? Suppose it will be 4, right? Now using 4, if you want to ship these numbers, right? The same number, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 4, okay? So one day, first day it will be 3, right? Then second day it will be 2 plus 2, right? Then third day it will be 4, right? The fourth day it will be 1, and fifth day it will be again 4. Now here we can see it takes 5 days, right? With 4 kg of sheep. Now this is also not suitable for us, right? So, but here if you see, it took 5 days, right? So now what we will do? What was the our previous? So we took the 4 days, right? 4 kg of sheep, sorry, 4 kg of sheep. Now, suppose we will take the, we will again check, okay? We will increase our count, okay? Towards the higher side, okay? So here, yeah, let's take the 6, okay? 6 days to ship 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 4, okay? So first day we will be shipping 2 plus 3 plus 2, 5, okay? Day 2, let's to take the 2 plus 4, right? Then day 3, take the 1 plus 4. Now within 3 days we are able to ship these mangoes, right? So here if you have observed the pattern, right, it is nothing but the binary search. So what we did here first we did the sum, okay? Sum of all, okay? Sum of all, right? And after that what we did, the binary search, right? This is binary search. 1 plus 16 divided by 2, which is 8, right? The floor of it, right? And then we check with 8 kg of sheep, how many days it will take? 3 days, right? Doing this thing. Then again, 8 kg is too high. Then what we did, we move to the left side, right? By doing I is equal to mid minus 1, right? So here then again we found the middle ground here, right? So 4, using 4, right? So 4 kg took us 5 days, which is also not required, which is also huge for us. Then again, what we did here, then we moved to the higher side, which is equal to low is equal to mid plus 1. And then we use the 6 days. And using 6 days, we got the answer, which is nothing but 3 days. That's given in the problem as well, right? On the Leetcode example 2, right? Leetcode problem number 1011, the example 2, right? So this way we can solve this problem. So this is nothing but the some type of binary search. Search. Yeah, it is a little bit tricky, but yeah, I think you got the correct pattern how to solve this.
Okay, and also we have to find the maximum, okay, maximum within that element, so that we want what is our capacity, maximum will be our capacity, right? So that type of ship we need, like from our example it was 16, right? Yeah, not the sum, it was a sum 60, but the maximum was the 4, right? So yeah, let's take yeah, just iterate on the array and just get the sum. Let's do that. Yeah, we got it, like, right? I plus plus, and then it will be but we want to find the maximum, right? So it's greater than max. So that will be our max, right? So 5, and then so 5 will be our maximum, right? And what will be our sum? Right? Sum is equal to plus equal to double brackets of I. Sum I. Got it? Okay. So here we will get the maximum and the sum. Okay. Now let's assume our low at maximum and our high at sum. So high will be greater than the max, right? Always. Okay. And just take one example for the one variable for the storing the answer. Okay. Now let's take one. Let's just get the count of the weights. How many elements are there? Okay. Okay. Now this. Now what? Till we have to traverse from the low to high till it's not equal to, right? So we'll get all the combinations, right? Right, and we will be checking the days as well, right? So we have, suppose we have given the 6 days. Within the 6 days we have to ship this all the material, right? So let's traverse from low to high. Okay, and then yeah, and we know the binary search low plus high by 2. And then we will be having one helper function. Okay, so I will first write that helper function here. Okay. Okay, so using this function will be it will give us the answer. Okay, so it will be like boolean function. Okay, so here what we will pass the mid. Okay, and our array. Okay, all the bits, and then we'll be passing the length of that array and the dates, right? D. Okay, so here uh, if from this function, if we get the dates which are equal to the provided days, then we'll be returning true. That might be our answer, right? But still it will iterate till we get the desired answer. So for that, we'll just define the dates. Okay, one. Okay, for and then what we will be doing, we'll be iterating through the array. Okay, so here if sum plus array of I is less than equal to mid, then sum is equal to sum plus a array. Means till here we didn't got the any answer which is required, right? So here we'll be, if we will be doing dates plus plus and then resetting the sum of array. Okay, just be with me. I will explain it the code again. Okay, it might be not you're not getting this one, but yes, still be with me. Okay, so what we said, if days is less than equal to the D, right? The whatever the days we have provided, then return true. Okay, else return false. Okay, you got it? Okay, be with me. Let me call this function. Sometimes when we write all the code, right, then that would be easier to explain, right? So let me just weights, then the days, whatever the days we put as an input, right? The answer will be mid, and then I is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, here will be going to the left side. Okay, oh sorry, I is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, so we'll be going to the left side, right, of the array. So if we got the answer, then we will check the how I can get the smallest number, right? And here, if we get the answer which is bigger, right? So then in that case, we'll be checking. Uh, no, here if we get the answer is bigger, but here if we get the if the that weights are not able to fit in that array, then we'll be moving right to upper higher position. Okay, and yeah, and after this, yeah, once this is completed, right, will be return answer. Okay, just be with me. I will just submit it. Okay, compilation error. That's okay. Where I have missed something here. Okay, then dry run this problem, this code with our example. Okay, so this array is this one. Then the minimum size they have given is just 3. Okay, so we need to find within these 3 days how many kg we will need, right? Okay, yeah. So let's start find it out. Okay. So now, first, what we said while we explaining the problem, right? So we will do the sum of all the array, right? So first, yeah, base do the sum of all. It will be 16, right? 2 plus 3 plus 2, 2 plus 5, 5, 7, 7, 4, 11, 11, 12, and 4, 4, 4, 60, right? Okay, and we'll be having one maximum. Okay, it will be 4. Okay, now it will be 4. Okay, here then sum is equal to 10, right? So when we do it here, right, so what will be 4 and till 10. Okay, 4 plus 10 4, sorry, not 10, 4 plus 16, right, the sum, sorry, it will be 20, right? So by 2, so how much it will be? 10, correct? So now mid is 10. Okay, so now we'll be passing that to here, mid, all the weights, which is our array, the size of array, and the days is 3. Okay, 3, keep it in mind, right? Okay, now we took these two variables, sum and the days. Now we have to find the days, right? You remember, right? When we were trying, it took 1 day, first day how many it will hit, right? So now do the same dry run here. Okay, okay, sum is 0. Okay, so, first. Okay, so now first day, oh, what will it will be? It will be 3, correct? 3. Then again reiterate on the array. It's still less than mid, still less than 10, right? So then again plus 2. Okay. Then again reiterate on the array. It's still less than 10. Again plus 2. So it will be 7. Okay. Again less than uh, mid 10, right? Okay, now if we try to add the 4, we can't fit it, go to next day. Okay, so day will be plus. Okay, so 1 plus it will be 2 now. Okay, it will be 2 here. Now again here we will fit like 4 plus 1. It will be how much? It will 5. 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 5 plus 4, it will be 9, right? So yeah, day plus 4, it will be 9. So yeah, okay. Now all the elements are done. So within a 2 days, we are able to, so 2 it's less than, uh, 2 is less than, okay. So still we didn't got the answer because we want the uh, equal to, right? Till that we will be iterating, okay. Now we will, what we will do here, answer we will store it's a 2, okay. Within a 2 days, because it's slightly high, right? Within a 2, because if we take the 10 kg of sheep, 10 kg of sheep's price will be very high. So don't go with that. We have to find the minimum one, okay, as per the question. Now what we will do, we will do this step, right? We stored the answer. Now we will do this step, correct? Correct, right? Now what will be the, yeah, so it will be mid, what was the mid? 10. So we will come to 9 directly, correct? Now what will be 4 plus 9? It will be 13, correct? And 13 by 2 will be, we do a round of it, it will be 12, okay. 12, no, sorry, 6, okay. Okay, now we will pass that 6, right? Here again we will do the same thing, okay. uh 3 plus 2, it will be 5, okay. Then for day 2, again we cannot fit 2 here in the table, then we will do 2 plus 4, it will be 6. 3 day, it will be what is remaining? 1 plus 4. Now we found the exact answer, right? So what is that? It's a 6, right? So within a 3 days, we are able to ship. So here 3 is less than equal to 3, right? So now we got the answer here. So let's store it. So 6 we got. Whatever exact answer we got it, right? Now what we will do, so we will so what was the answer? What? 6, right? Still we will go to downside, okay. High mid is equal to okay, we will do that one, okay, because we want to find smaller answer, right? Minimum, okay. So we will do that one. So it will be what? 9, correct. And 9 by 2, it will be 4, correct. So again mid is 4 now, okay. So 2 plus, so here we cannot do this one, it will go down. So 2 plus 2 we can do it, then 4 we can do it, then day 4, right? It will be day 4, it will be 1, and day 5 it will be 4, because our mid is 4, right? So like this way it will come to 5 days, and then here from here we will not return true, it will be false, correct? Because 3 less than equal to days are 3, right? So sorry, okay, then we'll return a false, okay. Now if we return a false, then we'll come to low is equal to mid plus 1. So now we will increase the mid, okay. Now it will be 5, okay, 5. So 5, okay, only the 5 is remaining now, right? So 5 by 2 is equal to, right? No, directly, or it's okay. Yeah, we'll take the mid only, right? Correct, mid, okay. So now, okay, 5 we have found it out, okay. Now we will pass that to here, okay. So 2, 3 plus 2, so okay, we are able to fit it. And then 5, and then 2, correct. Plus 4 we cannot do it. Then the 4, then the 4 plus 1 plus 4, it will be So now it's still taking the 4 days. Okay. So here we will return a false, correct? And then it will again come here false. And what was our answer? It was 6. So it will return a 6. Yeah, I hope this is clear now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.